I got cut off there for time, but by recognizing those strengths and abilities, letting them use them and do them well. Sorry, put it into present here. Okay, and then determining the most appropriate assessment option. There's two really great links there for parents to kind of be more aware of that process. The services provided within special education I'm not going to read through all of them, but it can be speech or language, it could be PT, OT, counseling services, school health services. A whole array of different services can be provided. And then up here I have linked a website that talks about the services that you may potentially receive within special education. Questions to consider when looking at different services is what services does your child need, and so maybe first looking at their needs, what's kind of causing them to struggle, or where are you seeing areas of struggle, and then what services would that fall under, to kind of give you a better idea of maybe where the assessment process will take you. When will it begin? That's always important to know, and then to be able to support your child as you're aware of a new service beginning. How often will it be provided? Will it be provided once a day, once a week, monthly? Monthly is probably less common. It's usually once a day or once a week or maybe twice a week, just depending on the needs of the students. And then where will it be provided, or who will be providing the service? Here we'll just look at South Dakota parents' rights. I have some links, so I'm not going to talk much on them, but I've found some links. So parents' rights, here's two really great links. One's connected to the Department of Education, and then one is southdakota.parent.org, and that's just a community of parents coming together and supporting one another in their journey of having a child with a disability. Here are 5 more links. The first one's looking at FAQs, so maybe you're a parent and you're new to this whole process. This FAQ page is great. There's a parent guide, how to be involved with your child in their education, the history of it, and then another Parents Helping Parents, feeling support and encouraged from parents who have gone through or who are going through what you are. And then my sources for this was just our textbook. And that's it. So I really enjoyed this. Not being a LED SPED major, it was really great to kind of be forced to dive into some more of the politics of special education.